Today we're going to reassemble a CP3 Classic Knapsack Sprayer. Line up the holes on the cylinder liner to the holes on the machine. Push the cylinder liner into the machine until it clicks into place. Place the diaphragm on top, again lining up the holes. Place the clamp ring on top of the diaphragm into the holes. Use a power tool or a screwdriver to tighten the screws. Tighten opposite sides in succession to avoid warping the clamp ring and subsequent leaks. Slide the bearings into opposite sides. Roll the crank into place. Align the bearings to the grooves on the crank. Decide whether you want to pump with your left hand or your right hand. Slot in the operating lever accordingly. Place the locating disc over the end of the operating lever. And then slot the R-clip into the hole at the end of the operating lever. Turn the tank upright. Place the relief valve spring disc and seal unit into the sprayer. Twist the relief valve cap into place. The relief valve cap can be turned into high and low pressure settings. Attach the hose by fitting the brass wing nut to the brass fitting at the back of the machine. Place in the strainer and screw on the filler cap.